All right, guys, now welcome to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be installing these new rear tail lights. All right, and so the first thing you need to do is take this off. This just kind of sits on top of here like this, so you can just kind of wiggle it, take it off for both of them. And then we're going to have to take off this seal right here and get behind this. So you can see here I got some other stuff for the other work I've done in there. And a lot of these are just snaps, folks. If you look in there, a lot of them are just snaps. So just be careful when you're pulling and snapping, because I've got my refrigerator hooked up in here as well under there. So you just need to get to this area right here to get that bolt off and another one. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. I can't do it while I'm recording, so I'm gonna take care of it now. Okay, guys, the light is obviously out. It's super easy. You just have these two bolts right here, and they're not on tight, so don't drop them in there. And you just have to unplug your light. So you got this right here, which are these little 8mm right here, and they literally are just not on there tight. And so when you're taking this out, make sure you pull straight towards you. Don't go at an angle, because you don't want to break this portion right here. So let's look at the other light here. Make sure I got the right side. Yep, gotta get this side over here. So it is this one. And it is just a simple plug and play. Let me get this back in here. Let's go. All right, guys, so you'll have a left and a right module, and they look like this. This is for this side over here, and the left side just kind of doubles up as an adapter. You can see it plugs in here. You just need to tuck all that in, and then put your bolts back in, and you are going to be good to go. It's a tight fit, so be careful. Okay, I've moved on to the top portion. And the reason I'm doing it this way, folks, these are just all snaps. This just snaps in. Look at all these little snaps. That's all they are. So you just pull down slightly, don't tug too hard. Unplug this portion right here once you get it going. Now, same thing with the lights down here. There's going to be one 8mm bolt, and it connects right there. Unplug the module, take your pry tool, come out here, work it in, pull straight up, and the light will come out. It just doesn't get any simpler than that. And now we can install the new light, which is this bad boy right here. And we'll get it put in, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, they are all set up, and I'm gonna go ahead and demo them for you now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how beautiful they are. Just looking at them like this, they look really great compared to the OEM. And I'm just going to test them out. So when you first unlock it, you can see they're kind of fade out to the right and left. That is beautiful. And then I'm going to go through and run through the hazards, the turn signals, the reverse lights. The reverse lights are now on the top left and right. They are not in the center on the middle portion. You can see there, these are the reverse lights. So you can really see the reverse lights now, and they're really bright too. And these are the hazards. You see I now have sequential lighting on both sides. Right and left turn signals are going to be sequential. So this is nice and new for you on the Tesla Model Y. And I can't stress enough, folks, this is a very easy install, and these tail lights are not very much. So I'll have a link in the description so you can grab yours. But just running through the mill here, just showing you what they look like. It is a nice upgrade from the factory tail lights. And just make sure when you're bolting these down, they were hand tightened for the 8mm when I first took them off. And so the top center portions, I tightened those down pretty tight because they were tight, but the bottom portion was pretty much hand tight. So I'll tighten them back down to spec to where they were when I took them out and put it all back together. And here is the finished product. What do you guys think? See you in the next video. Take care.